I got diagnosed with Ehlers Danlos syndrome, the hypermobile kind, by a geneticist in Cambridge.
Mm.
And I had experienced multiple ankle injuries, multiple ankle sprains, muscle sprains, like so many muscle injuries and things like that. I tried physical therapy that is covered, but that is provided by the traditional by the common medicine, and my improvement was so little that I was considering, and the doctors were considering doing surgery on both of my ankle ligaments, a reconstruction of my ankle ligaments. And I try to keep doing physical therapy, try to find the solutions. I did acupuncture. I did the warm. I used warmth. I used so many things just to try to ease the pain. I was using crutches. I was even considering using a wheelchair at some point because of all of the injuries that I had and that were not getting better. I think we started working, I think the February or March. And from that point on, I felt much more strength. I wasn't able to walk for more than a minute a day because of the sprains, and slowly was able to walk more. And I think now, after a couple of seasons that we've been working together, I'm able to walk just comfortably, even up to 30 minutes on a single time. I am able to resume most of my daily activities that I wasn't able to do before. And of course, I no longer require any type of surgery in my ankles. I am all good. I haven't sprained my ankles in 6 months,
Yeah.
whereas in the past, that used to happen once every month, really. It was like mini sprains and really, really bad ones in longer. But yeah, no, I haven't had any of that. I'm able to walk. I think right now my count is on 5,000 steps per day. And
Mm.
when we started, I was able to do like 1,000, or at a maximum 1,000 per day. Maybe even less than that. So it's really, really changed so much at all times. When I'm walking, when I'm dancing, when I'm doing all of my daily activities, like all of my body is well connected and is conditioned, whereas where I was after so many cycles of injuries, and now I just keep getting better. So I hope to continue working on this. It's honestly the best investment I've done on my health.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So talk about the experience a little bit, right? So you did the mainstream training and the mainstream PT, and what is that like? What is the body feedback like then versus like when you do this specific training that's customized for you?
Well, when I'm doing the usual PT that is provided, and I've tried like 4 or 5 different physical therapy locations just
Okay.
to find, who would be the right physical therapist for me. It feels like you're walking in an empty room, and everything's dark, so you don't really know what's going to be good for you. Like they'll try different things that are just standard for everybody, and you don't know what's working. um I was getting better by but like 5% every month, 5% better, and my life wasn't getting better. I didn't, it was, the improvement were so minimal that I really felt like it was just like shooting it in the dark without being able to see. So it was never a straightforward process, and sometimes I would even get hurt at physical therapy multiple times. I can recall a dozen times that I got hurt with the physical therapist trying to um, provide me an exercise that was obviously not for me.
Mm,
So whereas working with you, coach, you understand exactly where I am, even though we've never met in person. We meet virtually every week,
right.
and you are immediately able to tell, thanks to your assessments, what I can do, what are my limits, and how we should progress every week. So it's very different.
Yeah. And what is the body response? You know, like where do you feel compared to what you did before?
Oh my God. Yeah, I mean, in the past, because I have EDS, I didn't feel my body very well. I didn't really like, and I couldn't feel what was going on, how connected things were. But now my body has responded by being fully interconnected. My pain levels are at a zero when I'm going about my day. You know, I can get sore from a lot of activity, but in the past I used to live in chronic pain. So I'd say, yeah, no, it's really been great for me to get back to all of my activities with the same level.
And you like dancing.
Oh yes, so I am a dancer. I dance all genres of music. Really, I dance maybe 3 times a week. And when I got injured multiple times, that came to a halt. And coach, really, it's thanks to you and working with you that I was able to get back to dancing. It's all the merit of the work that we have been doing. Nothing worked until we started working, engaging the Hyperarch. I'm able to dance as long as I want to, as many times as I want to per week. So it's really, and walk too, as almost really just as much as friends of mine that have never gotten an ankle injury.
Super. Great. Well, I'm looking to help you get more results.
Yes.
This is fantastic. This is for the year. I think it's the biggest success story of the year.
Oh, thank you, coach. It is my my life has improved so much. Just my quality, my happiness. I've been able to do so many more things now. So thank you so much, coach. Really, it inspires me. The work that we have been able to do and the level of care and diligence that you have, I wouldn't trade it for anything. So I'm so happy that we'll get to keep working.